Hi guys, this is my iRobot Roomba vacuum. This is i7-7150 model, and the way I use it is basically use the app, or you can just use the whole by pressing this clean button here. So it came with a charger, of course, and a sensor where you can put it in a place where you don't want to get vacuumed. So it's pretty much sensing that area to be avoided. So let's use it. It makes cleaning the kitchen really easy, and I don't have to sweep it every day. I can just charge this and then let it run for as long as it drains the battery. And the app would also tell you if the battery needs to be charged or the unit needs to be charged or how long it has been working. It will also tell you the map. It says the map. So this is like a smart vacuum, so it will know the places that it has been to cleaning up. So it came with an extra brush as well. Yeah, it works pretty good, both in the carpet area and the tile area of my house. It's not going straight to the kitchen there because it has been cleaning that part for 9 minutes. So right now it's just doing the side where it hasn't been to. I'm gonna pause it, or I'm gonna cancel the task so I can show you where I can check the dirt or the grass that has been collected. So to the side here where it says that, you just press this button and this will pop out. And this is all the dust of my kitchen floor and carpet collected. So yeah, it's pretty easy to use and it's nice to have in your house. So you want to maintain the cleanliness and the convenience to save you effort and time. And yeah, this is a great quality to have here.